Hi, this is Tom. Sometimes you want to share your files, and if you're using Google Docs and the person you're sharing with doesn't, you're going to want to share either as an Excel file or a PDF, most likely. So this is how to do that. You click on File and Download, and if you want to share it as an Excel file, you would click here. If you want to share it as a PDF, you would click here. And now here it looks a little bit different because I'm exporting the current sheet. And if you want to just export the selected cells, it's only showing the cell where my cursor is. So I don't want to do that. You can change it to portrait or landscape. Here you can change the paper size. And right down here you can click on formatting. So I can show the grid lines or not. I can adjust the way it looks on when it prints. If you have headers or footers, if you want to show page numbers or titles, date, time, all right here. And then when you're ready, click the export button, name it, save it, and now as you can see it is on my desktop. And that's all there is to it. Till next time.